Long vehicles, like buses, coaches and lorries, need more space than cars to turn at some junctions. Like this bus, look how much it travels onto the wrong side of the road when it's turning left. And it's vital it does that, otherwise if it takes the turn too tight, it will go onto the pathway and endanger pedestrians and, more importantly, dogs. Don't be caught out by stop lines that seem to be far away from where the end of the road is. It will be for the benefit of long and larger vehicles turning at these junctions. And it's really important as a car driver that you consider this. So if you do notice a large vehicle ahead, be prepared to slow down earlier so you can give them the extra space they need. You can't see it from the video, but this bus driver here gives me a well good thumbs up and smile for holding back and giving him the extra room. Approaching this bend, I see a large lorry. And look at the driver here. He's actually signalling at me to slow down. That's the hand signal for slowing down, by the way. He needs me to hang back, keep clear, so that he can get round that bend safely. And I get a nice little thumbs up again. Soon as we see this vehicle come round the bend, we slow down. We hang back and give him plenty of extra room. Have a word though, Hippo. Your driver doesn't give us a thumbs up. Soon as I seen this lorry turning up ahead, I just took my foot off the gas pedal. I took it a little bit slower so that by the time we passed, he was back onto his side of the road. At times, it might be you that needs to give the good, clear hand signal. We encourage this learner driver to cut across in front of us. We give them the priority. It's so they can release the space behind them to let the truck through. We've given them the priority to go first so that we can all get round this junction safely. I'm on the major road here. I've got the priority, but as soon as I see this bus trying to emerge, I hang back. I tuck over. I get a nice little wave of thanks. They're then stuck trying to get round me, so it's important that I do carry on to release the space behind me so they can complete the turn. I'm on the minor road at this crossroad junction. I haven't got priority, but the lorry driver is waving at me to go first. The important thing is I still double check the junction. I make sure I'm happy it's safe before I take up his offer and emerge out. I'm on the minor road here. I haven't got priority. And as soon as the coach driver sees me, he stops and starts waving at me to go. I give him a little nod and a thumbs up, let him know I've acknowledged his request. I'm then just creeping forwards myself carefully, looking both ways, checking that there's no traffic swinging round the coach and that I'm actually safe to emerge. Sometimes, large vehicles will appear to give incorrect signals. Like this lorry, he's in the lane for going straight ahead and signalling left. It's because he needed the extra room to turn, so I had to hang back and give him the space. This double-decker bus up ahead, it was using the left-hand lane, but with a right signal. It's because it needed more room to swing round the junction. This lorry's got his hazards on. It's safe to turn left. It's safe to go straight ahead. What is it he's doing? At the time, I don't think anybody knew. We just all hang back, give him space. Turns out, he's doing a full-on U-turn at the junction. Fair play, mate. You made it safely. Creeping along in this traffic jam, I notice that the lorry starts indicating to the right. It wants to change lanes, so I hang back and give it plenty of room. You could be asked questions about these sorts of situations in your theory test, and hopefully after watching this video, you now understand that the answer is always going to be slow down and be prepared to give way.